She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I decided to do a redecorating my room for 2018 because I'm really trying to set an aesthetic and like a mood for my room. And I really hope that this video helps you guys out if you're trying to decide what kinds of pieces and little things that you can do to spice up your room, like adding seasoning, I don't know. But yeah, so my walls are like this weird green color, but like it's kind of gray-ish, but like it's green. I don't know how else to explain it. So I kind of had to form my decor pieces around the walls. So I really hope that you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're getting that Spotify playlist on deck. I will be putting my Spotify playlist down in the description box below because I have a whole bunch of songs on there that you guys definitely need to listen to, and this definitely gets me in the mood for like wanting to clean, organize, and decorate my room. So okay, not that song. Hey, okay, let's get started. So the first thing that I did for decorating my room is I added some plants, which you guys can see here. And I really am liking plants, and they're fake because I have a tendency for killing living things, which is really weird. Like every time that I get some sort of plant, like I remember I started gardening at one point in my life, and like the plants would be sprucing, looking great, and then I would just like forget to water them for a whole ass month and come back and they're all like brown and withered. So I think the safest bet for me is to get fake plants because I clearly don't know how to take care of other living things. I can't even take care of myself, so like I don't even know what I expected to happen. But yeah, so I have a lot of fake plants around because I feel like that just gives a really nice natural nature aesthetic since I don't leave my house. Like going outside, I don't know her, so you might as well bring the outside inside, if you know what I mean. Then I also added, I don't know where my obsession with maps came around, but I remember I was in art and we did like a cute portrait on a map. My portrait came out disgusting, but that's beyond the point. Yeah, so I've been getting a lot of maps and I think that they're really cute, and it inspires me to like travel even though I'm broke and I don't have any money, but like I can still dream of traveling. So yeah, I just decided to hang up some cute little maps behind, you know, on my wall. Now, tapestries are the way to go. I love tapestry so much, and especially this one, which is the one that I put up, and it's a Van Gogh tapestry. And no one like really knows this about me, but I love paintings, and I don't want to sound so cliche, but like I would marry Van Gogh if I could. I just think that his like art is so freaking beautiful, and like I wish that I could see the world through his eyes, even though he was depressed. Okay, anyways. But yeah, so I really like that one. This one's my favorite. I love tapestries, and I hung another one over here because they're just really pretty, and I feel like they add a nice, once again, like a warmth vibe to your space. Organization, I got one of those white plates to organize like my deodorant and my perfume on because I don't know, I feel like it just, when it's there looking presentable and cute, you're more willing to like grab it and use it. Ooh. And I got this like fake, this vase. I actually painted it black, but then I got these fake flowers from the dollar store. And I just find like other random decor because like this skull goes hard. Like I don't care. It looks it just spectacular. Amazing. And then I have like vintage cameras or my DSLR camera's just laying around. And I also, I got this waterfall. God would probably have me on some real slick shit. Okay, like, ignore my dirty mirror. I know, I swear you see where I tried to wipe it and it's gross. But, like, look at these. Anaya was rocking the cloud glasses a long time, and that's me now. That's me when I was, like, 5. This is me on my first birthday. This is me, like, 5th, 4th grade with my friend. That's my cat. That's me just in a, what is that? I think a bunny costume, and that's me and my cat again. You know. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me redecorate my room and add more pieces to create this nice vibe that I'm trying to go for. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all on, Tuesday. I'm posting Tuesday, Thursday. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye.